In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage deleted content on your WordPress site. This can be incredibly helpful for those times when you accidentally delete a post or a page and need to retrieve it. Understanding how to navigate your WordPress dashboard effectively ensures you maintain full control over your website's content with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you will need to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, as it serves as your control center for managing content on your site. Begin by logging in with your username and password. Once you're successfully in, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. This menu is your gateway to various sections of your website. Now, depending on whether you want to manage blog entries or static pages, you will navigate to one of two places. If it's a blog post you're dealing with, hover over the Posts section and simply click on All Posts. On the other hand, if it's a page, navigate to Pages and then All Pages. Doing so will display a complete list of your posts or pages, providing you a streamlined overview of all the content currently housed on your site. Now that you're set up in the correct area, it's time to find the content you've deleted. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a series of tabs, each indicating a different category of your content management. You should see options like All, Published, Drafts, and most crucially for our purposes, Trash. These tabs help you filter your views so you can manage your content with accuracy and speed. Today, our focus is on items that have been removed, so go ahead and click on the Trash tab. By clicking here, you're granted access to a list of posts or pages that were previously deleted. This is a handy feature because it's much like having a recycling bin for your website where content isn't permanently gone once it's been deleted. It's still retrievable should you change your mind or find that it was accidentally sent to deletion. Here you have it. All the posts or pages that you discarded but might need back. From this point, you have the option to restore any content that you find requires a return to the main stage of your website. Remember, managing your site efficiently includes learning how to navigate your WordPress dashboard expertly and knowing where your content resides at any given time. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or someone just starting, this process is crucial for effective content management. As you continue familiarizing yourself with these steps, you'll become more confident in handling your online presence with the proficiency of a pro webmaster. Thanks for watching and happy content managing.